What is up, everyone? Today is day 6 of Road to a Payout. And I think today I've had the craziest trading day I've ever had in my whole entire life. Not craziest, but like, I think I just hit the craziest trade that I've ever hit. And as you can tell from the title, yep, it was an 18 risk reward. Gosh, I'm going to get into it right after this, but as you guys can see right here, previous day I did end with like 300, I think. But you know what? I overtraded the next day because I hit that during Asia session. Then once it got to New York AM, my overtrading just got to me. And I think it's been every day that this has happened. I cannot let it happen tomorrow morning. I need to just stay with this win that I took because right now it's Asia session. Or a little bit after, but this is the trade that I took during Asia, or a little after. But as you can see, I made 535. So our total P&L is plus 431. And that means we are at 3 out of 5 trading days for the $100 consistency rule thing. So that means we need only 2 more. Theoretically, it's so possible that I can get a payout by Friday. But the chances are not like crazy high. But I'm just saying it's possible. I'm not trying to jinx it. But you know what? Let me get it straight into the trade that I took. This is the trade that I took. As you can see, 18.87. So basically a 19 risk reward. Oh my gosh. Let me get into it. So basically, I'm so out of breath right now. Basically, there was no liquidity sweep that led me to taking this trade actually. I just seen that we were continuing to the downside. I did want to look for longs, but I ended up not. I couldn't catch no liquidity sweeps at all that were good enough for me to like you can see this right here. There's a slight liquidity sweep right here, but we never broke above a high. If we broke above this high and created a fair value gap, then obviously I would have entered probably, but I literally see no reason to go for shorts. But this made me go for shorts, yeah. But if you look closer to this though, there was a liquidity sweep right here. And then you can see this low was broken. No. Where am I talking about? Where was I at? No, yeah, it was this. There was a liquidity sweep right here. This low was broken right here. Not this one. I don't know. I'm talking about this one. It was this one right here. By this candle right here, fair value gap was created as well. Tapped into it and just completely dumped. But why I chose this is my take profit, because I believe this was a session low. Yeah, this is a previous day New York AM low. I didn't choose this because it wasn't a session low. I mean, I could have. I don't know why I didn't. This sketched me out a little bit right here where we pushed a little back up. I was like, oh, is this going to be a liquidity sweep? But nope, we pushed even farther lower. So I held it. But as you can see, we literally rallied all the way down, and I somehow caught this whole thing. But yeah, that's literally the trade that I took. I'm going to try so hard that I make sure I don't take another trade tomorrow morning, because I cannot let myself overtrade once again. Because if I just keep going at this rate, I always take wins during Asia, and if this keeps happening, then I'm going to be able to get a payout. But I don't know, something just always gets to me. I don't know what it is, but I'm not letting it happen tomorrow. But that's the video for today, guys. That was day 6, I believe. If you guys are interested in seeing me get a payout, seeing the end of this series, then make sure you guys subscribe and like so I keep posting videos like this. We are so close, guys. See you guys in the next video.